flood emergency for Lake and northeastern McHenry counties in Illinois. The flash flood warning remains in effect until 11 a.m. for Lake and northeastern McHenry counties. At 7:42 a.m., thunderstorms producing very heavy rain were moving across the warned area and will likely cause additional flash flooding and very dangerous travel. 5 to 8 inches of rain has fallen and additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are likely in the warned area. This is a flash flood emergency for Lake County and northeastern McHenry County in Illinois. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Some locations that will experience flooding include Waukegan, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, McHenry, Vernon Hills, Zion, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Lake Forest, Round Lake, Antioch, Beach Park, Wakonda, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Island Lake, Long Grove, Park City, and Wonder Lake. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 18. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 18. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The flood warning